Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Abby with RecPro.com. And this is RV Life Unplugged. Number 1 on the list is be the example.
Now, what we mean by be the example is when you're out there in the woods with your kids, one of the easiest things to do so you can have some peace and quiet is to let them get on their devices and just tune out. But if you show them that being out in the woods and getting into chopping wood and setting fires and getting all the things together and how much fun that can be, and you put down the devices, then they'll learn from watching you.
Number 2 on the list is use tech to get outdoorsy.
Now, we live in a technological age, and with the devices that you have at hand, you can get a lot of different apps that can help you with your camping. And because kids are so dialed in to their devices nowadays, you can meld the two together and create a better camping and RVing experience for you and your family.
Number 3 on the list is camp in your backyard.
It's easy and it's cheap. What's nice about camping in your backyard is you can turn your backyard into a small adventure. They've also called these staycations.
Oh.
So get into your backyard, set up a tent, and you can put a campfire back there, roast weenies over a campfire, or bring your toaster out there with a long extension cord.
Plus you always have a bathroom close by.
That's true. Whereas out in the wilds, you probably have to dig a hole and fight off bears while you're using the restroom,
Yes.
which is scary.
And number 4 on the list is get dirty.
Now, what we mean by get dirty while you're camping is just that. One of the ways you can set an example for your family while you're out there in the wilds is to actually get them out there and let them get dirty. Let them run through creeks, chop wood, dig holes, and really just experience being in the outdoors. Because if you're afraid to get dirty when you're camping, you're just not going to have a good time. So get out there, get dirty, and if you have an outdoor shower, which you can purchase from RecPro.com, you can get cleaned up at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe, follow.